Good morning, class 12th. Subject Biology, Chapter 1 Reproduction in Organism. Exercise. Why is reproduction essential for organism? Reproduction is a fundamental feature of all living organisms. It is a biological process through which living organisms produce offspring similar to them. Reproduction ensures the continuance of various species on the earth. In the absence of reproduction, the species will not be able to exist for a long time and may soon get extinct. Next, question 2. Distinguish between and sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, it involves the fusion of the male and female gametes. It does not involve the fusion of the male and the female gametes. It requires two as usually different individual. It requires only one individual. The individual produced are not identical to their parents and show variation from each other and also from their parents. The individual produced are identical to the parents and are hence called clones. It is slow process. It is a fast process. Most animals reproduce sexually. Both sexual and asexual modes of reproduction are found in plants. Asexual modes of reproduction are common in organisms having simple organizations such as algae and fungi. Next, third question is, what is vegetative propagation? Give two suitable example. Vegetative propagation is a mode of asexual reproduction in which new plants are obtained from the vegetative parts of plants. It does not involve the productions of seeds or spores. For the propagations of new plants, vegetative parts of plants such as runner, rhizomes, suckers, tubers, etc. can be used as propagules for raising new plants. Example of vegetative reproductions are eyes of potato and leaf buds of bryophyllum. Eyes of potato. The surface of a potato has several buds called eyes. Each of these buds, when buried in soil, develops into a new plant which is identical to the parent's plants. Eyes, potatoes, figures, and this is eyes. Leaf buds of bryophyllum. The leaves of bryophyllum plants bear several adventitious buds on their margins. These leaf buds have the ability to grow and develop into tiny plants when the leaves get detach from the plant and come in contact with moist soil. Adventitious buds. Question number 4. Define juvenile phase, reproductive phase, senescence phase. You do it yourself and all exercise yourself done in your fair copy. Thank you.